Again, resources are classified into natural and man-made. We already know it. What do you mean by natural resources and what is man-made resources? Again, natural resources is classified on the basis of origin, utility, level of development and based on distribution. Based on origin is again classified into biotic and abiotic. Utility is based on renewable and non-renewable. Level of development is based on potential and actual, and at last on the basis of distribution is again divided into localized and ubiquitous. So we will start from biotic resources, which means all living organism or all living things are known as biotic resources. For an example, like human beings, flora and fauna. Abiotic resources means all non-living things are known as abiotic resources. Resources which are found from the physical or non-living environment. For an example, like wind, water, air, rocks, metals, etc. On the basis of utility, it is again classified into renewable and non-renewable resources. Here, renewable resources means which can be renewed or reproduced. For an example, like solar and wind energy. Non-renewable resources which gets exhausted when put to use or consume. For an example, coal and petroleum. On the basis of level of development, potential resources. Resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized, might be because of the lack of technology. For an example, like solar and wind. Resources whose existence has been proved and whose quality, quantity and location has been determined for utilization comes under in actual resources. For an example, like minerals. At last, based on distribution, localized and ubiquitous resources. Resources which are found only in a certain places or in a specific area is called localized resources. For an example, like coal, petrol, iron, etc. Resources which are found everywhere are called ubiquitous resources. For an example, like air, land and water, etc.